Hey, Dana here, and welcome to the vlog. And what you're looking at is our second snowfall of 2019. It is November 7th, and it said we were going to get snow, and it came down to 32 degrees, and here it is. Look at this. It is, I won't say it's finally here because it'll be gone tomorrow, but this is definitely an example of a our second snowfall. And here's my carport. I got that done almost in time. I've still got to get the walls painted hopefully in the next 2 or 3 days. But at least the roof is done, and it is dry in there. So I accomplished that. Unfortunately, my roof I did not get accomplished yet. Whoa, where's this coming from? Where are they coming from? Almost got it done. This section's done, but I still got the upper area in the up along the trough has still got to be done. But unfortunately, there's no getting up there in the rain or in the snow. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll get you on the next Crosby's vlogs. I'm gonna get my garage done too.